Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Baronne Street is a north-south corridor that cuts through the heart of downtown New Orleans, linking the central business district with surrounding neighborhoods. Running parallel to major streets like St. Charles Avenue and Carondelet Street, Baronne offers a close-up look at the city's commercial core, historic architecture, and everyday urban life. The street is named after Baron de Pontalba, a prominent figure in early New Orleans history, whose influence is still visible throughout the city. As New Orleans expanded during the 19th century, Baronne Street developed as part of the growing business and residential grid just upriver from the original French Quarter. Much of the architecture lining Baronne Street reflects the city's economic growth in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Office buildings, hotels, and commercial structures rose as New Orleans became a major port and financial center for the Gulf South. Many of these buildings feature classic elements such as brick facades, decorative cornices, and tall windows designed to capture light and airflow in the humid climate. As you travel along Baronne Street, you pass through the central business district, an area that emerged as the city's modern downtown. This district became especially important during the early 1900s, when railroads, shipping, and trade helped fuel New Orleans' economy. Baronne Street played a supporting role, carrying traffic and commerce just steps away from the city's main avenues. Baronne Street has also witnessed moments of challenge and recovery. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina brought unprecedented flooding and disruption to much of New Orleans. While downtown areas like Baronne Street avoided the deepest floodwaters, the storm deeply affected businesses, residents, and infrastructure citywide. In the years that followed, this area became part of the broader rebuilding and revitalization effort. Today, Baronne Street reflects a mix of old and new. Historic buildings stand alongside modern offices, hotels, and residential conversions. The street supports daily commuters, visitors, and locals moving between work, entertainment, and nearby neighborhoods. Its steady traffic and urban rhythm offer a different perspective from the city's more famous streets. A drive along Baronne Street reveals the working side of New Orleans, a place shaped by commerce, resilience, and steady change. It's a reminder that beyond the music and celebrations, the city's character is also built into its streets, buildings, and the everyday movement of people through its downtown core.